Lesson 20 brings to us some really good everyday phrases like please repeat and I didn't understand and unfortunately I don't understand it. So let's dive into that. Lūdzu, atkārtojiet. Lūdzu, atkārtojiet. Please repeat. Please, lūdzu, atkārtojiet. Repeat. This is the polite form. So if you're addressing somebody as jūs, yeah, then it would be lūdzu atkārtojiet. That would be in a classroom situation, let's say. If you're talking to a friend and you want to say please repeat and you're addressing that person as tu, then it would be lūdzu atkārto. So we just basically cut iet and we're done. Lūdzu atkārto. Lūdzu atkārto. Es zinu. I know. Es zinu. Es zinu. How do you say I don't know? In Latvian, that's very easy. We just add ne, right? Like here. Es nezinu. I don't know. Es zinu. Es nezinu. Es to zinu. I know it. Es to zinu. By the way, this one is in accusatives. I'm sure you already have the feeling when we're using accusatives. Yes, we have somebody who is doing the job, like in this case, es. Zinu, this is the work, this is the action you're performing, and then you know it, yeah, or you know that. So you know something that this action is addressing, or something that is influencing. It will be in accusatives. In this particular case, with those very short pronouns like to zinu or es tevi mīlu, oh, that's also another good one. I love you, es tevi mīlu. Then we put those pronouns before the verb. Es saprotu. Es saprotu. Yes, please don't miss that Latvian o. You start like an u and then go to o. O. Es saprotu. I understand. Es visu saprotu. I understand everything. And here again, we put this visu in accusatives. In this case, we put it before the verb. Es visu saprotu. And now let's make a long sentence. Es visu saprotu, bet slikti runāju. Maybe that's your level of Latvian. At this point, I understand everything, but I speak poorly. Or I don't speak that well yet. Es visu saprotu, bet slikti runāju. Es nesaprotu. I don't understand. Let's add some nuance to it and say unfortunately. Diemžēl. Diemžēl. Did you see where the stress goes? On the second syllable, which is uncommon in Latvian. Usually we put stress on the first syllable, even like here, es nesaprotu. Nobody's saying es nesaprotu. No. Don't do that. Es nesaprotu. So the stress is on the first syllable, but not here. Diemžēl. Diemžēl es nesaprotu. Unfortunately, I don't understand. Diemžēl es nesaprotu. Es neko nesaprotu. I don't understand anything. Neko is like nothing. I understand nothing. Es neko nesaprotu. And as you can see in Latvian, we can have double negative. Neko nesaprotu. Easily. Es neko nesaprotu. And now let's add a little bit of a nuance. Instead of saying I don't understand, we can say I did not understand. I'm sure you feel the difference. Instead of saying I just don't get it, we can always say, well, I did not understand it this time, but in general, I'm very smart. Es nesapratu. Es nesapratu. So again, I don't understand. Es nesaprotu. O. And then in the past, I didn't understand. Es nesapratu. Yes. So this is the difference. This is how we conjugate the verbs. And unfortunately, this is the verb of this first conjugation, the most difficult one, the one that changes the stem, so the one that changes, like here, u and a. We have the difference here. It's not that bad. And what will definitely help you is that if you literally learn phrases like I didn't understand, es ne saprato. Why? Because if you later have to, let's say, make a phrase, did you understand? Then you will have to use this saprat. You'll have to use this part and then to add a different endings. And the endings are the same. The endings will be the same. So if you're asking tu, vai tu saprati, did you understand? Or if you're asking you politely, it would be vai jūs sapratāt. So again, this will not change. It's just the endings, and the endings are always the same. So that's why this is the most important part, and you can use it with the most common phrase, I didn't get it. Es nesaprato. And then two more. Es nezinu. I don't know. Es nezinu. Es to nezinu. I don't know it. Es to nezinu. So if somebody is asking you about something specific, you can actually use both. You can just say neutral, es nezinu, or you can say, I don't know that. Yeah, es to nezinu. Es to nezinu.